Okay, so this is for everyone that's completely new and has not been able to trade Forex, doesn't even know what Forex is, but wants to start investing in the markets. You're seeing my post, you're seeing everything that I'm posting in my stories. You see my YouTube channel wherever you came from. This video is for you, so you will get an understanding of what you will be joining. So, one, if you don't know what Forex is, I am going to send you back to YouTube and I'm going to tell you to search what is Forex. And if you don't know how to trade Forex, we do have beginner training here. We do have a bunch of resources that will allow you to be able to learn from, and those will all be inside the course when you join. So when you join and get the Firestorm indicators, you will get access to a step-by-step course that will teach you everything from a complete beginner. You will also get access to the step-by-step videos to teach you how to use the indicators even as a beginner. And you will also be able to get access to the indicators and learn how to set up the signals for yourself on your phone. So everything will be provided to you, giving you that step-by-step information. You will be able to get access to our indicators. You will be able to see everything. If you want to know the accuracy of our indicators range between an 80% to 95% accuracy. The highest accuracy I've ever actually seen on one of our charts was probably 98% accuracy, and that is outstanding, especially if you have zero knowledge and you just want to be taking the trades and you don't really know much about analysis and you want to learn as you go. You will be able to learn from this. So this indicator is like no other. You will not find another indicator like this on the market. There is no indicator out there that shows you its accuracy at the top. So what I am talking about is this right here. We're gonna point right here. This is the accuracy of hitting take profit 1 with zero analysis. That means you have an 87% success rate of hitting take profit 1 without ever knowing how to analyze the charts. That's just following this signal. Now, this is take profit 2. This is 80% accuracy of hitting this little line right here, which is take profit 2. And then this is 10%, sadly, that it hits the stop loss. I wish I could come up with something that's 100% accurate, but that doesn't really exist in the world. And if it did, it probably wouldn't even be on the market for that long. I'm nervous that this is even on the market because it's really that amazing. And this strategy and everything that's built into this indicator is so insane. So right here, as you can see, there is a signal that was called out. There's two signals, one signal here, one signal here. And when they're together like this, that gives it an even higher accuracy of just shooting up. I'm just going to say, you're going to see that sometimes they come in together because these are two different indicators. This is the Firestorm 2.0 indicator, and this is the Firestorm FX 2.0. The FX is good for trading Forex currencies, indices, and stocks, and the FX 2.0 and the Firestorm Indicator 2.0 and the Firestorm Indicator is good for trading binary options and Forex indices and stocks. So you will learn binary options here. You will learn Forex trading indices. You will learn all of that and how to use it for each and every platform. So you will learn how to use the binary options platform, and then you will also get a gist of how you can use these signals on MetaTrader 4. So back to what I was saying about this signal. This signal is giving the entry, your stop loss, and take profit 1 and 2. Take profit 1 and 2 mean that when you enter right here, it will take profit and close out the trade either at take profit 1 or take profit 2 right here for you. And you will obviously be in profit and make money because that was a very profitable trade. Now, the stop loss stops you from blowing your account. So what that's going to do is, let's say the trade sadly came back and hit your stop loss and it continued down. If it continued down, it would not even affect you because you had a stop loss in place, stopping you from losing any more money. So gratefully, it did not hit the stop loss. It kept going up, and we had a beautiful signal. Now, you will learn this inside the course, how to trail your stop loss. So the greater thing is if you left these two open and did not take profit, and you just entered and then drug your stop loss into profit, let's say you set your stop loss right here. If the market came back down and hit your stop loss with it being right here at this little line I created, that means it hit your stop loss, but it hit your stop loss in profit, which means you left with a profit and you didn't leave with losing any money at all, and it's making it a completely risk-free trade. Now, you see that it didn't come back and hit that area that I have listed or pointed right here. The market never came back and touched it the entire time. So what that means is it would have continued up, and it would have continued up until, I always say, 20, 30 pips take profit or more. That's on currencies, on indices, 800 to 1,000 pips. So this trade was a beautiful trade, and with it going straight up like that with zero drawdown on a 15-minute chart, that means there was a lot of pips here. Yeah, over 4,000 pips right here. 4,000 pips on that single trade. Now, you traded with $1, that's $4,000. You traded with $100, so on and so forth. It just goes up and up and up and up. I've had members that have made ridiculous amounts of money. I'm not even going to make income claims on here, but ridiculous amounts of money with these signals, and they've been able to clear $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a day with FTMO accounts. If you don't know what an FTMO account is or what a prop firm is, you will learn about that inside the training. Sorry, my kids are outside playing with my husband. But you will learn about that inside the training, and you will get step-by-step training on what a prop firm is. So a prop firm basically is a company that will allow you to leverage a larger amount of funds. So let's say you don't have $500 to $1,000 to trade with. You only have $100 to trade with, or $300 to trade with. What you could do is you could pass their challenge by paying them $200, and they'll give you a $10,000 or $25,000 funded account once you pass their challenge. We go over how to pass challenges, what exactly you can do to pass a challenge, and all the training will be in the step-by-step training course that will be sent to your email once you sign up. Now, right now we're running a massive promo. You want to get it on that ASAP. That promo will not be around long. Sorry. But that promo won't be here for long, and you want to be able to maximize everything you can and be able to make as much money in today's market. And this really simplifies and changes so many people's lives that are just getting into trading, because these signals allow you to be able to have a massive edge on the market as a beginner. So if you want more information, go to www.firestormtrading.com and get access to the indicators there. There is also tons of videos going over how you can get the strategies, what exactly we do. I'm just showing you a different trade, another successful, beautiful trade in the market here. And let's go over a 5-minute chart. We're just going to look. We got another beautiful trade that happened. We had one that hit take profit 1 right here, and then we had another one that hit take profit 2 and continued up. Beautiful trade. So like I said, you want to get your hands on these indicators. You want to pass either your prop firm account, or you want to bring a $100 account to a $5,000 account. We actually are running a group challenge right now where basically we have it all laid out for you with the lot sizes and everything you can do just following these signals to bring your account from $100 to $5,000 in 60 days. That's not guaranteed. It's just a strategy plan that you can follow to be able to grow your account from a small amount. So If you want access to all that, you want more information, make sure you go to our website. If you want to see testimonials and videos, we have a YouTube channel of Firestorm Trading. And then we also have an Instagram that's listed as Firestorm Trading. And then our website is www.firestormtrading.com. You'll be able to see hundreds of results and be able to sign up right there. You'll get an instant email to your course account, and that runs through Thinkific. And you will just log into your account, get started, get access to the indicators. Make sure you follow that step-by-step training, and you should be able to start catching on to this. I'm not guaranteeing any profits for anyone, but I could tell you we've had complete beginners here that within a month, they've been able to make $100 to $200 a day. So it's totally up to you. No guarantees, but this system is insane. So many people are loving it. And just some extra reassurance for you, I created this indicator for myself. I created this to make my life easier as a mom of 4 kids under 5 years old. I don't have time to stare at the charts all day long, and I needed my strategies to be into an indicator that alerted my phone and gave me all the information I needed. So what do I mean by that? All the information I needed means this indicator will give you the stop loss, entry, take profit, and everything for every single trade. So as you can see right here, for Euro CAD, it was a buy signal. The entry, stop loss, take profit 1 and 2 were already sent to my phone. I just plugged in the information and took the trade after I looked at it on TradingView. You will be downloading the TradingView app and getting access to the indicators through tradingview.com. You can do this 100% from your phone, and you could do this without a computer. So everything will be easy to navigate on your phone as well, and there will be trainings with phone view, so you'll be able to know how to navigate through your phone app as well. So like I said, I created these to make my life easier. I created it so I can be able to be on the go and still be a full-time trader and a mom and a wife and juggle everything I need to juggle in a day. And these indicators really allowed me to be able to do that because I took my strategies and I turned it into something that would not only help me be on top of the charts all the time, but also help beginner traders and people that are already traders in the market be able to get more signals, have their own little signal service, and be able to just leverage making money in the markets. So if you have any more questions, we have tons of videos. I'm sure they'll be answered in those videos. There will be more overviews. There'll be more information on everything, but this is just a little overview for you. And this little indicator here at the bottom, I'm sure you're wondering what this is. This is our momentum indicator. This will give you strong buys and sell signals as well. And this is explained in step-by-step training too. So if you go on the website, there is a video that says 85 to 90% accuracy that goes over this entire indicator and what all of this is all about. So see you there. If you have any more questions, you can shoot us a message on firestormtrading.com. Make sure you watch the videos and make sure this is something that's fit for you and something you can do. You can do this in as little as an hour or 2 a day. It doesn't require you to be in the charts and on your phone all day long. I honestly trade anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes a day. And when I get trade signals sent to my phone throughout the day, it only takes me a couple minutes to just input the information and continue about my day. So it's not something that you need to have a set time for or get up early for. This indicator runs 24/7, so you get signals all day and all night. So see you soon, and that's enough talking for me. You can get everything on firestormtrading.com.